Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. The world of camera tech is evolving at breakneck speed, and all eyes are now turning to one of the most hotly anticipated mirrorless releases of 2025, the Canon EOS R6 Mark III. While earlier speculation hinted at an early year reveal ahead of CP Plus 2025, the latest reports suggest a shift in plans. Canon, facing overwhelming demand for the newly launched EOS R1 and R5 Mark II, is channeling production resources to fulfill existing orders first. As a result, insiders are now pointing to a mid to late 2025 launch window for the R6 Mark III. This delay isn't just a business necessity, it's a calculated move. The R6 line has been Canon's best-selling full-frame mirrorless camera series, popular among professionals and enthusiasts alike. Canon seems determined to avoid stock shortages, ensuring a global rollout without the frustrations of long waiting lists or regional delays. So while the wait may test some nerves, it also signals Canon's commitment to delivering a polished and fully stocked product when the time comes, and based on early details, the Canon R6 Mark III isn't shaping up to be a minor refresh. It's rumored to be a massive generational leap that could redefine what hybrid shooters expect from a mid-range full-frame mirrorless body. One of the most exciting developments surrounding the Canon EOS R6 Mark III is its rumored new sensor, a 24MP back-illuminated stacked CMOS unit, believed to stem directly from the flagship EOS R3. This upgraded sensor architecture is a big deal. It promises ultra-fast readout speeds, improved low-light performance, and drastically reduced rolling shutter, making it an ideal tool for capturing fast action, sports, wildlife, and more. The 24MP resolution isn't just a number, it hits the sweet spot between file manageability and detailed image output. Whether you're shooting thousands of wedding photos or filming high bitrate 4K and 6K footage, this resolution balances workflow efficiency with superb image fidelity. For hybrid content creators, it offers enough resolution for high-quality prints while also enabling rich, oversampled video footage with lifelike sharpness and accurate colors. Backing this new sensor is the rumored Digic accelerator processor, a game-changer in Canon's internal hardware lineup. This advanced image engine is expected to dramatically improve autofocus tracking, video performance, startup speed, buffer clearance, and overall responsiveness. With this powerhouse chip, the R6 Mark III could introduce AI-driven enhancements like smarter eye tracking, improved scene recognition, and enhanced in-camera noise reduction. Canon is clearly focusing on real-time computational photography, and this chip will likely be the engine behind many of the camera's most cutting-edge features. Canon is also rumored to be pushing the envelope in stabilization with up to 8.5 stops of in-body image stabilization. When paired with optically stabilized lenses, this could allow shooters to work handheld in ultra-low light situations or at slow shutter speeds with unmatched clarity. For filmmakers, it potentially eliminates the need for external gimbals in many situations. Imagine walking shots, smooth pans, and stabilized handheld footage straight out of the camera. This could be a massive advantage for documentary filmmakers, travel vloggers, and solo creators who value mobility without sacrificing quality. The Canon dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system, already one of the industry's most respected autofocus platforms, is expected to get a serious upgrade in the R6 Mark III. Leveraging AI and machine learning, the camera will likely offer even more intelligent subject detection across 153 AF zones. Expect reliable focus tracking not only for faces and eyes, but for full-body detection, animals, birds in flight, and even fast-moving vehicles. Low-light performance should also improve, making this camera an ideal tool for photographers and videographers working in unpredictable environments. Speed is another area where the R6 Mark III is expected to shine. Rumors suggest it will be capable of capturing full-resolution 14-bit RAW images at up to 30 frames per second using the electronic shutter, with minimal rolling shutter distortion thanks to the sensor's ultrafast readout. For action photographers, this level of speed means you'll never miss a decisive moment, whether it's a bird taking flight or a tennis player mid-swing. Additional rumored features like pre-capture buffering could further improve your chances of catching the exact frame you need. One of the standout rumors is Canon's implementation of AI-powered in-camera noise reduction. This new system may go far beyond traditional algorithms by intelligently differentiating between noise and image detail. That means cleaner files at high ISOs without the plastic, over-smooth look we often see in low-light images. There are also whispers of a high-resolution zoom or magnification tool, an AI-assisted function that could allow users to inspect their images with enhanced clarity before committing to a shot. For critical work in the field, this kind of feedback could be game-changing. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III isn't just a photo powerhouse, it's poised to be a true cinema hybrid. Canon is reportedly integrating high-end video features from its Cinema EOS line, including 6K oversampled 4K video for maximum detail and clarity, 4K 120p slow motion in Super 35 crop mode, 6K 30p and 4K 60p raw video in Canon's powerful Cinema Raw Light format, professional tools like C-Log 3, waveform monitors, false color, and focus breathing correction with XFAVCS and XFHVCS recording formats. The R6 Mark III is being positioned as a one-stop shop for content creators demanding cinematic quality in a portable, full-frame mirrorless body. Final verdict: if these rumors hold true, the Canon EOS R6 Mark III could be one of the most significant mirrorless camera releases of this decade. With cutting-edge hardware, intelligent autofocus, impressive burst speed, groundbreaking stabilization, and cinema-grade video tools, Canon seems set on redefining the hybrid category. Whether you're a high-speed sports photographer, a documentary filmmaker, or a hybrid shooter capturing everything from portraits to cinematic footage, this camera looks ready to handle it all.